So you are uploading any video, the major importance is called making for thumbnails. So just I'm select this video. The video right now is a unlisted mode. Just edit the video. Now I can upload by the thumbnails from this particular video. How to make using canva.com. Some people using for Photoshop, Corel, so many options. But we are as a, I don't have Photoshop, I don't have a Corel option. How to make it? Using Canva. So here, size always remember 1280 by 720. Select it. 1280 by 720. So first of all, what is my video? How to add new website to Google Search Console. Select this option. You can go to images. So many image options are there. Select one image for this. Save the image. Now select it. Come into Canva. User can easily understand how you can add the particular website. For this option, upload the image. Everyone follow the instructions, more important. So how are you getting for your people can watch your screens. The related skill compulsory add your particular option. Just upload it. Now select your text option. Okay, just color change. Now I'm selecting for element. Now I focus by the arrows, where our arrows will be showing to the customers. Take the arrows. These are arrows. Is a paid one. Is not suitable. We can select and change another one. It's clear. How to add the new website to Google Search Console. So you can increase the choice. Is it clear? Compulsory, the screen is compulsory, background is more important. Suppose you can change the screen. This is not be missing for this option. Now, download it. Which one is the download it? Simple, we can go to this one. Upload in time, same name you have to follow this. Compulsory mandatory. Select it. Thumbnail. Download. You can go to same option will be your title. Paste it. So I'm adding. Okay, just I'll clarify the playlist. Add a playlist. Select it. Only thumbnail is not a preference. The compulsory add your option also very important. Playlist. Score is perfect. Now where? Set your publishing mode. Play with the premium option and click for save changes. So this is how your parameters follow the after making a thumbnail. So when making thumbnail, more important for the users. They easily read the customers your particular option. Is it clear? This is a particular option. You increase your font also. Simple technique. Back end. Change your it. Text is visible. Change image. Select it. Save changes. Here, change is not appeared. Why? Premier is going on. So when your premier is running, we can't change your thumbnail option. It's a compulsory you can follow this. So when your premier running time, thumbnail updating impossible. Is it clear? This is compulsory interview question. When your premier running on YouTube time, we can't change your thumbnail. So can you change your thumbnail when you're running for premier option in YouTube? Yes or no? Option is a no.